person
Also,
who's using pore strips to unclog the pores in their face.
Because of the medical nature of our content, YouTube has pulled many of our videos out of search and your video feed. So the only way to see our best content is to click the bell next to the subscribe button.
I personally recommend a high-quality carbon mask for jobs like this.
That'll keep you updated and give you notifications about all of our videos, even the age-restricted ones.
Here's a series of photos of a 2-year-old child that has a blister on his hand. Sorry folks, there's no video footage of this ER emergency. What could have caused this? Leave a comment below. Reddit's top pop this month is this pop by user SwagLife. Click like for him for sharing this. Sister, remove a clip.
Hey folks, treat yourself and a friend or loved one to an activated carbon peel mask. M7 Amazon is offering 2 packs of masks for under 20 bucks. Carbon facial masks help restore collagen, which naturally fills in wrinkles and rejuvenates skin. They also help unclog pores and prevent new blackheads from occurring. With multiple uses in each bottle, that's a lot of clean pores and smooth skin. See the link in the description below. Hey folks, to get rid of blackheads and blemishes the right way, get a Comedone extractor kit. This one here is the best we could find. It has a high quality to price ratio. It's got solid steel instruments, a compact case for traveling, and a good variety of tools for all your needs, including a lancet for whiteheads. Using an extractor like this is the easiest and safest method as it reduces the chances of scarring and secondary infection. And to help keep things safe and sterile, as a bonus, we're throwing in a free 10-pack of nitrile gloves. Use the Amazon link below to get a kit of your very own.